Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video with Wonderful Boys, and today we're actually in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And the hotel we check in today is
Renaissance Johor Bahru.
Yep, so this is not the first time we are actually staying here. If you have not yet watched our previous videos, you can actually watch over there.
Right above.
Yep. So this hotel, right, is actually located in the Permas Jaya area. So there isn't really much things around here. The hotel is actually located like 10 minutes to 15 minutes away from by car ride from the Woodlands checkpoint. So getting here, it's actually you have to go via Grab lah. Okay, probably no bus or whatever because we don't know how to take also. So the nearest mall actually we think is the South Quay, Mid Valley South Quay. So a lot of food options, a lot of shopping options over there. Yeah. So it's actually about 10 minutes car ride. Yeah. Quite convenient also lah because you can just take a Grab.
Yeah.
And the room category we got today is
Club King Room. This room is about 34 square meters. It's located on the highest floors of the hotel. We're actually on the 17th floor, which is the highest. And I would say that room layout is pretty standard. In fact, I think it's the same as the other regular deluxe room. However, the club rooms are generally better maintained. I feel it's less used. So I think it's pretty nice. So we get to have a chance to look at it a bit later. So we're also going to show you the facilities of the hotel, like the swimming pool as well as the fitness center, and also the club lounge where they have the evening dinner service, and also breakfast in the morning at the Cafe BLD. Of course, you can choose to have it at the club lounge, but I believe the options would be much more limited.
And something to note is that every Sunday, there is actually a night bazaar, like a bazaar, right? Just right outside the hotel. So we can show you some snippets later on. Yeah. So if you're new here and have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so right below. It'll help us a lot. And turn on the notification bell if you have not yet, so you will be notified when a new video is out. Yeah. So without further ado, shall we check out the room?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hi, welcome to this Club King room, which is 34 square meters. And once you come in, on your left side, this is where you put your card key. And there's a master switch here to turn off everything if you need to or turn on. Yep, and right beside it is the wardrobe area. So once you open up, there's a lot of space for you to actually hang your clothes. For those dirty clothes or those that you iron already and you want to wear it later on, you can just hang it here. Extra pillows on top. And shoe polish if you need, just right below. And more storage space right beside here, which you can find a safe in here as well. Okay, and let's check out the toilet, which is right opposite the wardrobe area. Once you come in, on the left side, okay, this is the WC area. Okay, nothing fanciful, but it comes with a handout bidet as well. Over here. And something thoughtful is that they also have a hand bar over here for you to hold on to if you need some assistance when you're doing business. Okay, and right beside it, this is the vanity area. It's a single vanity, so you might have to, take turns. Okay, and a very nice countertop here, because it's a bit sparkly, which I like. And towels right below, glasses, bottled water, and also some of the dental kits over here as well. Hair dryer, if you need, is right below here as well. Okay, and something I like about this is that their floor mat is not those towel kind of floor mat. It's actually those fluffy kind, which is actually quite comfortable. After you shower, you come out wet. This is actually very comfortable. Yeah. So talking about shower, let's check out the shower area. So over here is a separated partition by the glass window here. So there's a very nice rain shower and hair shower here. The amenities over here is actually Argus. You can't bring home because they're all big bottles over here. Okay, and actually smell pretty nice as well. Okay, so next up we'll check out the room main area. Okay, so once you come out from the toilet, right in front is actually where you find the pantry area. Some bottled waters and some storage space below. Mugs and glasses are here as well. Below here is actually the fridge. I'm not going to open up for you, it's empty. Okay, if you need tea, coffee, it's here. Okay, no Nespresso machine, but they have kettle here for you to boil water if you want to. Okay, and right in front is actually a big mirror for you to check what you wear and all that. It's prim and proper. And over here you can actually find the air conditioning control. it's a little bit weird because I set to 25, but it doesn't go to 25, it just says 20. So you have to figure out how to set to the right temperature for yourself. So moving past this area, now we move on to the main bedroom and the living area. This is carpeted, so it's a little bit comfortable. And over here you can find a luggage area for you to put your stuff. If you don't have luggage, you can put your bags and whatnot. Okay, so just now when we're in the shower area, you can actually look out to the room. Okay, so there's no blind, there's no curtain inside. What you can do is you actually have to come out to the room area and close it up from outside. So tell your roommate, don't be cheeky, and open up. But if you open it up, actually there's more light, so it's actually quite comfortable. If you want, get your friend to go out while you shower. Okay, so this is the king size bed. It's very comfortable. And beside it is actually two bedside table, and only on the left side of it has got the power point. So if you want to charge your stuff, either you do it there or at the work desk area, which I'll show you later on. Okay, and right in front of the bed, it's the TV. So the TV, it's about 40 over inch. It's quite big for this distance lah. So it's quite comfortable as well. So right beside it is where the work desk area is. So just like I mentioned, right, PowerPoint over here. There's two. If you're going to do your work, you want to charge your stuff, you can do it over here. So and right beside it, this is the lounge area, so-called lounge area lah, I would say. It's quite a comfortable sofa seat. You can take a seat here, drink some coffee while watching TV, tea break and whatnot. So it's quite enjoyable. And that's about it for the room. The view here, actually not really fantastic. If you open up, you do see a swimming pool view. So currently there's quite a number of people swimming lah. And actually the weather is not so good. I'm not sure it will rain later or not. So yeah. So that's the view. Nothing much, nothing fanciful. So once again, this is the Club King room, 34 square meters. And yeah. So we'll show you the facilities and also the breakfast, the meals. Check it out.
The hotel has a small pool situated on the 6th floor. There are several sun decks scattered around the pool. The fitness center is open 24 hours a day and has a good range of equipment as well as a good selection of free weights. The club lounge is located on the 16th floor and opens for breakfast, afternoon tea and evening cocktail hours. Our favorite selections from the evening cocktail hours are the desserts table and also the cheese and freshly cut fruits. The evening cocktail hours is an enjoyable session. Alright, good morning. So this is the breakfast service at the Cafe BLD. Once again, you can actually choose the breakfast between this venue and also the club lounge where the selections are a bit more limited. So when you are seated, you can actually get your beverages first. There's no it's all self-service. And you can see over here there is a freshly squeezed watermelon and orange juice as well as coffee from the coffee dispenser. There are also other fruit juices, freshly squeezed as well as the chilled ones, and also teh tarik for the hot beverage. So let's move on to talk about the food items. First of all, let's talk about the American food. In this plate over here, we see that we have eggs of your choice, scrambled eggs with hash browns on the side as well as sausages and potatoes. There are also other options that are available like baked beans if you like that. So what I particularly like about this particular restaurant is actually the local food. It's always good. Over here, we see that my personal favorite is the roti canai together with the chicken curry, and also together with this plate, accompanying it is the yellow rice with a laksa goreng. It's like a fried laksa noodles with the beef rendang, a pao. I think this is a red bean pao, and also brinjal. So the local selections here are actually pretty good. I do recommend them when you are here. There's also a noodle station. Basically, you can choose between 3 different, I would say, gravy, and it rotates on a daily basis. And over here, I have tom yum. I think I chose this before and I didn't like it. It doesn't really look pretty good. But there are actually other options that are available, like the bakso or the chicken noodles. There's also a vegetarian option on some days. So I would say that over the years, the pastry selections have improved, the pastry quality has improved. Right over here, we see assortment of pastries like the, I would say, Danish, English muffins, and also the chocolate kind of like a roll, and some cakes, like a banana cake. It's pretty good, I would say. But of course, the best item here is the bread butter pudding together with the vanilla sauce, which is always great to have over here. So once again, this breakfast is a full buffet spread. There's actually a lot of more food options available, like the porridge. You can also get that. There's a cheese platter, salad station, fresh fruits. So lots of things for you to choose from, but that's all that I'm going to have for today. So we'll see you later when we summarize the entire video. Alright, so we're going to check out soon from our stay here at the Renaissance Johor Bahru. So let's give a quick summary about this stay. First of all, how do you find the location of this hotel?
I think location-wise it's okay. I mean, there isn't really big malls around here, so you definitely have to grab to somewhere. So the nearest place that we went is actually, I think, the Mid Valley South Quay. Yeah, it's a very big mall, so a lot of shopping option, food option, definitely no problem. But around here, we do see that there's some eateries, some food options, and also quite a number of convenience stores as well.
Yeah. Okay, so we can move on straight to the hotel, and let's just talk about the room. Today we actually stayed in the Club King room, which is about 34 square meters. Actually, do you like the room?
I think it's okay. Not like fantastic, but it's okay.
I thought the room was okay, relatively well maintained, and also I do quite like the color of the room, and the size is also actually quite decent. So this room comes together with a club lounge access, which serves breakfast, afternoon tea, as well as the evening cocktail hours and dinner. So we actually went for the evening cocktail hours there. Do you enjoy the hours?
Yeah, actually, I think that the food option is actually quite a lot. So it's not like cocktail, small food, you know. It's really like kind of small buffet spread lah. It really can fill you up.
Yeah, it's like a full dinner.
Yeah.
But it gets really crowded on a Saturday night. So actually we didn't go because based on past experiences, it's always unpleasant. If you actually do have a club lounge access, do consider going like about half an hour earlier than the start time. So it starts at 5:30, so come about 5 to get the best seats. Not all seats are elevated, some are a bit low, may not be comfortable for you. So we can talk about the breakfast. So the breakfast, you can have it at the club lounge, which we did not have, or at the restaurant, which is on the first floor of the hotel. Do you like the spread?
I think the spread is okay, not too bad. It's the same as last time when we came here. I think last time round we came, there isn't really very proactively topping up of the fresh juice, I feel, but this time around it's actually quite good.
Yeah, the menu is quite good. The food items were quite tasty. I love the eggs also. Yeah, so they don't have too many complaints about the breakfast. So let's talk quickly a little about the facilities. So basically the swimming pool, which I thought was pretty small. I mean, there's a lot of space on the ground floor, actually not ground floor, 6th floor of the hotel, but the pool itself is quite small. So do you like the pool?
I think the pool is okay. It's just that because I'm more of like I want a suntan during a staycation or trip. I don't really swim, so the pool is just yeah.
And the fitness center was also, I thought, okay, decently equipped, although you feel a bit claustrophobic because the ceilings was not too high. So if you're standing on a treadmill, then you're actually very close to the ceiling if you're tall.
And it's actually a little bit dark towards the inside, which is the free weights area. It's a little bit dark.
Yeah. Before ending, I would also like to talk a little bit about the service standards here at this property. I feel that it has dropped significantly since the last few times that we were here. For example, they don't have any more welcome amenities like those tidbits, those small bites, light bites that they always give to the rooms every time we check in. We don't have that anymore. And also during check-in, not just this trip, but also the couple trips before this, they don't really explain to you the facilities, like the club lounge, timings, presentations. They don't tell you the facilities. You know, it's just very, I think, transactional. You know, like you just come in and then they say, okay, here's your room key, here's sign here, and that's it. So it's pretty bad in that sense. We actually stayed here before, or rather we have a review here at the executive suite. You can check that out in the link that's just above.
So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, share with your friends who actually might also enjoy hotel reviews kind of content with them.
Yeah.
Okay, so till next time, bye.